When it comes to choosing the best carry-on luggage, it's not just about size or looks, it's about finding the perfect balance of durability, functionality, and convenience. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, your carry-on should make navigating through airports a breeze while offering smart features to keep your belongings safe and organized. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best carry-on luggage picks, from high-end smart luggage to budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality. Each option delivers on portability, style, and practicality, ensuring you can travel hassle-free. As always, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Let's dive into which carry-on luggage will make your next trip easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Wrangler Smart Luggage. The Wrangler Smart Luggage set is designed with the modern traveler in mind, combining convenience, style, and durability. This 20-inch carry-on stands out with its unique features, including a built-in cup holder and USB port, making it ideal for those who are always on the go. The USB port allows you to charge your devices right at the airport, keeping you connected while traveling, while the cup holder offers a convenient spot for your coffee or water bottle, so you can navigate the airport hands-free. Made from durable materials, the Wrangler Smart Luggage is built to withstand the rough handling that often accompanies travel, all while being lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its spinner wheels allow for smooth 360-degree navigation, so you can effortlessly weave through crowded airports or narrow airplane aisles. The luggage also features expandable capacity, providing flexibility for extra packing space when you need it, whether you're on a weekend getaway or an extended trip. The sleek black design gives it a polished look, suitable for both professional and casual travel, while the compact 20-inch size meets most airline carry-on restrictions. With its blend of practicality and smart features, the Wrangler Smart Luggage set offers excellent value for those looking for a budget-friendly carry-on that doesn't compromise on functionality. Whether you're a tech-savvy traveler or simply looking for a convenient, versatile carry-on, the Wrangler Smart Luggage set has you covered. Number 4. SwissGear Sion Carry-On Luggage. The SwissGear Sion Carry-On Luggage is a reliable and stylish choice for travelers seeking durability and organization in a compact size. This 21-inch soft-side carry-on is crafted from resilient high-quality materials designed to withstand frequent travel. Reinforced corners and sturdy zippers add to its durability, ensuring that it holds up well even with heavy use. The multiple front pockets allow for easy access to essential items, making packing and unpacking hassle-free. One of the highlights of the SwissGear Sion is its expandable design, which offers additional packing space for those moments when you need to fit in a little extra. This feature makes it versatile enough for both short trips and longer journeys, providing flexibility without compromising the compact size. The smooth spinner wheels allow for easy 360-degree navigation, so you can move through busy airports and crowded spaces with ease. The SwissGear Sion's classic black color and streamlined look add a touch of professionalism, making it an excellent option for business travelers. Inside, the well-organized compartments and tie-down straps keep your belongings secure, ensuring that your clothes and other items remain neatly in place. With a reputation for durability, functionality, and style, the SwissGear Sion carry-on is a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable carry-on that combines convenience and sophistication. Number 3. Travelpro Maxlite 5. The Travelpro Maxlite 5 is an ideal choice for travelers who want a lightweight, durable, and affordable carry-on option. This 21-inch expandable suitcase is made from high-quality polyester that resists wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for frequent flyers. Despite its robust construction, the Maxlite 5 is remarkably lightweight, reducing the burden on your arm or shoulder while maneuvering through airports. The 4 spinner wheels provide smooth, 360-degree movement, allowing you to navigate crowded terminals and narrow aisles effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Maxlite 5 is its expandable design, which offers added packing space when needed. This flexibility makes it suitable for both weekend trips and extended stays, giving you the convenience to pack extra essentials without switching to a larger suitcase. Inside, the suitcase includes multiple compartments and tie-down straps to keep your belongings secure and organized, making packing and unpacking a breeze. The sleek black design of the Maxlite 5 complements its practical practical features, making it suitable for both business and leisure travel. Depending on the model, some versions of this carry-on luggage also come equipped with USB ports, allowing you to charge devices on the go, a handy addition for tech-savvy travelers. With its balance of affordability, functionality, and lightweight construction, the Travelpro Maxlite 5 is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile carry-on that doesn't compromise on quality. Number 2. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Luggage. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable Carry-On is designed for travelers who prioritize durability, style, and ample packing space in a compact form. This 21-inch carry-on features a tough, scratch-resistant shell, providing exceptional protection for your belongings. Made from lightweight polycarbonate, the Freeform is easy to handle without sacrificing strength, making it a perfect companion for frequent flyers. The expandable design allows you to increase the packing capacity, so you have the flexibility to accommodate extra items without moving to a larger suitcase. One of the standout features of the Samsonite Freeform is its double spinner wheels, which provide 360-degree maneuverability. The smooth, multi-directional wheels make navigating through crowded airports and tight spaces effortless. Combined with a sturdy, multi-stage ergonomic handle, this carry-on is comfortable to transport even when fully packed. Inside, the Freeform offers a well-organized layout with multiple compartments and cross straps to keep your belongings secure and in place. The separate zippered compartment is perfect for keeping items like toiletries and electronics organized, while the overall spacious design makes packing a breeze. With its sleek black finish, the Samsonite Freeform combines practicality and modern style, appealing to both business and leisure travelers. For those looking for a durable, expandable, and easy-to-maneuver carry-on, the Samsonite Freeform is a great choice, delivering quality and convenience without compromise. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On Luggage. The Travelpro Platinum Elite soft-side expandable carry-on is a top-tier choice for travelers seeking luxury, functionality, and durability all in one. This 21-inch carry-on is crafted from high-density nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating, making it exceptionally resistant to water and stains, so your luggage remains looking fresh and professional trip after trip. Reinforced with premium hardware and finished with luxurious accents such as genuine leather trims, it brings an air of sophistication while offering a robust and travel-ready construction. One of the standout features of the Platinum Elite is its 8-wheel spinner system. Equipped with precision glide wheels, it allows effortless 360-degree movement, making it a breeze to maneuver through crowded airports, hotel lobbies, and narrow airplane aisles. The precision glide system includes a contoured handle with multiple height adjustments, allowing you to customize it for comfort, which is ideal for extended periods of travel. Inside, this carry-on is thoughtfully organized to meet the needs of modern travelers. It includes a built-in suitor to keep your clothing wrinkle-free, as well as multiple interior compartments and a removable, TSA-compliant toiletries bag for easy security checks. For added convenience, the Platinum Elite features an expandable design that provides up to 2 extra inches of packing space when needed. This is particularly useful for longer trips or when you need extra room for souvenirs and gifts. Another standout feature is the USB port, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Perfect for business travelers or anyone who needs to stay connected. With its sleek shadow black finish, the Travelpro Platinum Elite not only looks refined, but also integrates well with today's tech-savvy travel lifestyle, as it's compatible with Wi-Fi 6 devices. Overall, the Travelpro Platinum Elite is a premium carry-on that combines style, practicality, and high-end features, making it an unmatched choice for discerning travelers who seek both luxury and functionality in their luggage. In reviewing the top 5 carry-on luggage options, each piece offers a unique combination of quality, functionality, and style to suit various travel needs. The luxurious Travelpro Platinum Elite stands out with tech-friendly features and extra space, ideal for those who seek premium convenience. The Samsonite Freeform provides a durable hardshell and smooth double spinner wheel, perfect for travelers looking for lightweight strength. The Travelpro Maxlite 5 offers an excellent blend of affordability and practicality with its lightweight expandable design. SwissGear's Sion model provides classic functionality and rugged durability, while the Wrangler Smart Luggage enhances travel convenience with a built-in USB port and cup holder. Each carry-on on this list demonstrates that top-quality travel essentials can enhance your experience without breaking the bank. For product links and more details, see the description below. Safe and happy travels!